Guys, we have a severe thunderstorm warning for this area. We have some gusty winds coming in here. There's like trees blowing around. There's leaves blowing around. There'll probably be some power flashes. I haven't seen any yet. Well, my radio's going off. It didn't do that first time. Oh, that's Sterling, Virginia. That's not Mount Holly. But there was still a severe thunderstorm warning here, as shown on the radar, right there. And we have these really gusty winds. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. That's gonna blow some branches around. Oh yeah. There's a plane flying. I don't know if you should be flying in this weather. Yeah, I'm making a YouTube short. The screen looks red because I have my blue light filter on. I turn it on at nighttime. I'm making videos on two different cameras right now. My phone to make a short and my DSLR camera to make a long video. I wonder if it's going to remind us that the severe thunderstorm warning for Bucks County is still in effect. So it's 9:52. This morning it expires at 10:15. Yeah, these storms are... These could be no joke. Like, these are actually pretty strong. I think we've had wind gusts up to 50 miles an hour, like, already. And it might just get worse. It might just get worse from here. And these storms are moving fast. They're producing winds up to 60 miles an hour, but they're moving at 70 miles an hour. Yeah, that's what I'm worried about, is the power going out. Oh, here comes another one. Oh, yeah. Alright, I gotta end the video because I can't post this video longer than 3 minutes, so I'll see you then.